Hello, I'm Oath, Thai in the United States. I just got a package from SHEIN. The mailman just gave me. I purchased more pens. I like to purchase the pens from SHEIN lately, wide legs, and also there are many colors for me to choose. I enjoy wearing colorful outfit. Anyway, please see what I got today. The first time I purchased the shoes from SHEIN, they are cute, and in the picture I thought they might not be good as the picture, but the actual shoe are better than what I thought. I purchased them after I ordered from eBay, and the price on eBay double expensive. I was a little bit upset myself because if I look at SHEIN shoe earlier before I purchase eBay, I will save cost very much. So from now on, I will check SHEIN shoes more. I normally wear flat shoe, and today I try to wear the heel but low heel shoe if I would like to purchase more, but no. I return them and I order more flat shoe from SHEIN. You will see the video when I get them. And also I purchased this kind of pants earlier too, and now I purchased more. I would like to have many colors as they provided, but I don't have that much money. Thank you for watching my video. Have a great day. Bye.